Hey guys, I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel, MaddCrafty. Today I'm going to show you how to melt crayons onto canvas. So this canvas is yellow and I used to have those big flowers glued all over it. That's why there's white spots, because I pulled them off. But now I want to reuse it again and we're going to melt crayons on it this time. To do this, you're going to need a canvas and some old crayons. Crayola is my favorite brand, so I'm using Crayola. Also, please remember to take all the paper off your crayons before you start. If you are someone who crafts a lot and you have a heat tool, you can use that. Or if you don't have a heat tool, you can use a blow dryer. So I will try both to see which one is better. Hold your crayon with tongs or something of the sort because you don't want to burn your fingers. Here we go. So first I'm going to try the blow dryer. That is so cold! Now I'll try with the heat tool to see which one is more powerful. Yeah, I already know the blow dryer is going to be the winner for this one. So if you do have a heat tool, don't even use it, use the blow dryer. So this is what it looks like. This is the outcome. I really love how it turned out. I gotta say, that was a lot of fun. Also, my white walls are no longer white. The table is now more beautiful with color, as is my outfit. So now that we've learned that wax goes absolutely everywhere, wear an outfit you don't care about, don't do this in a room with white walls, possibly do this in a room that you don't care about, and put down newspaper or a garbage bag or something to line the whole area because wax flies everywhere. If you make a crayon melted canvas cool art masterpiece like I did, I don't know if it's a masterpiece, but whatever. You can find me on Instagram at MaddCrafty and please tag me so I can see it. See you next time. How am I gonna clean the walls?